Hi. Hi, guys. Yes. Are you looking at that? Hello, babies. Hello, babies. These are the Lucy and Chester puppies. So there's Miss Berry. Little Miss Disco. Hi, sweetie. Well, what? Yeah, over there's little Miss Derby. So the other girl. And so for boys, hi, little man. That's Mr. Zombie wagging his tail. Coming up next. Oh, that's Miss Berry again. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. Are you giving kisses? Hi, buddy. That's Mr. Camel. So we got Camel. And let's see here. Mr. Go right here. Well, hi. Here's Mr. Black. This one's Mr. Black. That's Disco again, little girl. Well, we have to show the other boy. Who am I missing? Who am I missing? That's Zombie. Who are we missing? Mr. Red. There he is. That's little Red. Hi. You're going to bite me too. Oh my. Okay. Kisses and kisses. Hi, kids. Hi. Well, hi. Are you coming up, Derby? Hi, honey. Well, hello. Hello to you too, sweetheart. All right, okay. Yes, I know, lovies. Yes. 3-week-old Lucy Chester puppies. Oh, Mr. Go says I'm going for it. Climbs right in my lap. No, gonna go back? Okay. Oh, there he goes. Oh, instead, here's Mr. Black climbing over. Hi, guys. Yeah, it's time to change your box. It is. It's time. Yeah, you talking to me? You're all very cute.